Here are the Capcut editors. Today we're adding black screen on Capcut. It's stable for transitions, scene breaks, and dramatic pauses. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So at first, open the Capcut app and create a new project or import your existing project. Here I'll create a new project and choose this video for an example. Now we'll split this video so that we could add black screens in between. Now, place the playhead, this white line, where you want the black screen to be. Now once you've decided, click on the plus icon here and go to library option and select this black template and click on add. Now as you can see, a black color block has been added just ahead of our playhead. Now we can change the duration of the black color block by dragging its edges, just like this. And you can also duplicate it and use it in multiple places, just like this. And click on this duplicate button, and now we can use it in different places like this. And there you have it. With these methods and a little creativity, you can conquer black screens in Capcut. Remember, black screens offers endless possibility, so experiment and have fun. Leave a comment below showcasing your black screen magic and hit subscribe for more Capcut editing hacks. Thank you.